All right guys, welcome to another video here at Nomad Island Escapes. So this is going to be a short video, and what it is we're here in my office at our house, the house I live with Sarah. If you guys don't know, I'm Jeff, I'm 47, moved to the Philippines about 5 months ago to be with my Filipina Sarah. She converted her small garage into an office workspace for me. We like to call it the dungeon. But here, so what we're doing is we noticed a couple weeks ago that it was being overrun by termites. So we needed to nip that out. So she put cladding on the outside, and she put small sheets of plywood. So the plywood was all the way down to the ground, and you're in the Philippines, so it's gonna rain a lot. So it got wet, termites started attacking it. We noticed that. So what we wanted to do is just cut off about a foot of the plywood, spray it, and then with some bug spray to kill it, hoping they don't come back. And then later on in the video, we're gonna show you, I decided to go with some foam spray to try to insulate as much as I could, and also act as a barrier to stop the bugs from getting in. So a couple things I wanna mention is, one is, yeah, I did shave my head. So this video, like, there was a little bit of a low quality audio, so I decided to remake just the intro part of it. So I did shave my head. Maybe it looks silly, I don't know, but it's hot here in the Philippines, so I decided why not. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know if it looks silly to you, if it looks crazy, whatever. I love being roasted, so, you know, get at me. Yeah, so back to the story. So it's just a short little video. So this is gonna be a low budget project. We're only spending about 20 bucks. So we spent about around 18 bucks or so on the spray foam. They call it like PU foam, polyurethane foam. I can't ever pronounce that correctly. So that was about 18 bucks. We had to order that online. We did have to wait about a week or so for it to come in. And then about 2 bucks, we went to the local market and we bought some vinyl flooring. So we had to put that on temporary. Halfway through the video, we show you that I had to put it on pause and wait for the foam to come in. So we put that up temporary as a barrier, and then we took it down and then sprayed the foam and went over again. So most of the video, I'm just gonna do a time lapse on it. So it's just a quick video, not too boring. And then yeah, we'll just get right into it, guys. All right, guys, as you can see here, about a couple of weeks ago before this, I noticed that there was actually a spot where the termites were getting in. So I just happened to have an extra spray can of this PU foam. So I decided to just spray it in there. And when I pulled it off, I looked at it. I'm like, you know, that's not a bad idea. So why not just buy more spray foam and just fill all of it right here with the spray foam? That's where I got the idea with. So we decided to order some online, which took a week, put the project on pause for a week and then come back.
Ayo! Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I just want to take a quick moment to share something really close to my heart. As many as you know, our story started online, and I truly believe that finding the right person can be when you are using the right dating service. The only dating service I would recommend is Christian Filipina. It's a place where a serious people connect with honest intentions. And for the couples who are serious and ready in a relationship and ready to take a step, Filipino visa makes the whole immigration and visa process so much easier to help so many couples just like us. So if you're looking for something real and you're ready to meet someone special, check the link in the description below.
Alright guys, back at it. We got the PU foam spray. Polyurethane. I can never say that right. It's, I don't know. Polyurethane foam, whatever. I forget how you just call it. PU foam. So we had to order this, so it took like a week to come in. So we had to put up the dungeon on pause. So we just put up the tiling or vinyl, whatever you want to call it. Put it up for the meantime. It's been working great. Now we're just gonna pull that off and we're gonna spray the foam and finish the project to our, I don't know, to our standards, we'll say, to our affordable standards, because really it's just the dungeon. It's just the office. It does a pretty good job. You've got the cladding on the outside, and you've got the plywood and the wallpaper and everything. So this will do. So we're gonna attack that today. All right, pretty close to being done here. That's the majority of it. Other stuff is just drying down here. I got the tiles holding most of it in. Alright, pretty much finished letting it dry here now. I got a couple things to touch up, like the gaps right there, little tiny things that everything's just not completely flat, but as you can see, it's not perfect, but you know, what can you do? Does the job. Sprayed a lot of that foam there, so a lot of it's really it's just to keep the bugs out, the majority, and to stop hopefully some of the water getting in, but not much of water gets in here really at all, so it's really just to try to keep the bugs out. I'll show you guys the finished product when we're done. It's kind of a mess right now. See, I got a little bit to clean up, extra the foam. That's just the foam stuff, it'll come right off. Alright, checking you guys in a bit when everything's all finished. Alright, so here we go. Office is all back together. Little project for all about 20 bucks for the whole thing. Really, it was just mainly to cover up, getting the foam to cover up any of the little holes that the cladding, the little gaps that the cladding would leave, so bugs could crawl up through the cladding and get to the wood. So remove the wood and fill up those gaps. So that's gonna do it, guys. Don't forget, I'm gonna leave the information for Christian Filipina and for Filipino visa down in the links. So check out the links in the description below. It'll be in the description and in the comments below. And thank you guys always for watching and for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks again, guys, for watching.